any time that like there's beer that's like I'm just like, nope, just it just does not, it's not pleasing for me.
Yeah.
So that was definitely one, it's not a bad beer by any means.
No,
Obviously, it's been
no.
around for a super long time, but I'm just not a Saaz hop fan.
Yeah. To me, a lot of times I was also years ago, I didn't like Pilsners because of the same thing you just explained, right? To me, it almost sometimes I'm drinking it and I feel like I got graphite. Like
Yeah.
I just ate some pencil in my mouth. I'm like, this is not enjoyable.